If creating content feels too hard, too slow, or too expensive, this video will save massive time. Today, I'm showing the top 3 free AI tools every creator should use in 2026. Tools that help write scripts, design thumbnails, and edit videos faster than ever. And the best part? All of them are beginner-friendly and free to start. Welcome back to Digital Product Hustle, the channel about AI tools, digital products, and creator growth. If growing on YouTube, TikTok, or social media using AI sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe and let's get into the first tool. First up is ChatGPT. This tool is like having an AI assistant for content creation. Need video ideas, scripts, captions, hooks, product descriptions, SEO titles. ChatGPT can generate everything in seconds. For example, instead of spending hours thinking about video ideas, creators can simply type, "Give me viral YouTube video ideas for a faceless channel," and instantly get content ideas ready to use. This is one of the easiest ways to save time and stay consistent as a creator. Next is Canva, one of the best free design tools for creators. With Canva, it's possible to create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, TikTok covers, digital products, presentations, and logos. Even beginners can make professional designs using drag and drop templates. The AI features inside Canva are also crazy useful. Background remover, AI image generation, magic resize, and instant design suggestions make content creation much faster. A strong thumbnail can completely change video performance, and Canva makes that process simple. The third tool is CapCut. This is one of the best free AI video editors right now. Creators use CapCut for YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Reels, cinematic edits, captions, and transitions. One of the best features is automatic captions. CapCut can generate subtitles instantly, which helps increase watch time and engagement. It also includes AI effects, smooth transitions, and mobile editing tools that make videos look professional without expensive software. So if building a creator business in 2026, these are the 3 free AI tools worth using right now: ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut. Using the right AI tools can save hours of work and help content look more professional faster. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow Digital Product Hustle for more AI tools, creator tips, and digital product content. See you in the next video.